Looks like we got another call of a large skip fire. Fucking arson. Drive the truck out there.
Brandschutz. Containerbrand. Einsatz für ELW LF24.
Yeah! Fireball.
2312. TLF 1. RTW 1.
Oh god, dude in my face. Also about to sneeze, so that's gonna be bad. Where's my damn partner? I gotta beat everybody else out the fucking door. They'll drive like bitches. Doesn't calculate the route till they leave. Whee! Oh, I forgot to hit my stupid siren. What are the chances of it being the same fucking thing? Oh yeah, I can see the fire from here. Yes, the fucking engine's gonna park in the worst possible spot. Yep. Ladder trucks don't survive off positioning. Don't worry about an engine driver. Is that an underground fire hydrant? I think it is. Huh. Yeah, standpipe. Must be. Oops. Nope. Need to go back to that. Dude, you're in the ladder. Dude, what are you doing? I like how it just appear with gear on. That's awesome. I can't even see where the hose is going. Or the water's going, rather. Come in! Come in! The fire out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna spray the hose. Fucking Facebook. Yaw. Hurry up, bitches. Distributor? The fuck? I have no idea where this goes. Oh, right there. I'm gonna get out of here before everybody else. Later, suckers! Oh shit. I don't know why they still let me drive after all the shit I do. Red light? I don't see no sneaking red light. Anyway. Oh shit. Oops. Smack. Anyway, let's make it back to the station and get for the next one. I have no idea what purpose this serves, but I found this truck and this thing. I picked up the thing with the truck. And now I'm doing things with it. I don't really know why. Or what. But I did it! Yeah! Now I got the thing. I don't know what the fuck this crazy thing is. It looks really scary. But I got it. It's mine now. Stole it! Later, suckers! Looks like we got the call of a private smoke alarm triggered. So, fire alarm? I was already down and ready to go.
Einsatz für ELW LF24, DLK 2312, TLF 1, RTW 1.
My fucking officer needs to hurry up. Damn. That flashed, the fucking text flashed on the screen for like half a second. That's fucking obnoxious. Well, while they take 6 years to do that, I'm gonna go in there and investigate and see what the fuck's going on. That's kind of neat. I don't see any fire. Well, it's the false alarm. Can I shut the controllers and get in? Yeah, man. Well, that was quick. Ah, shit. I'm in. Oh my god, I ran into the engine so they stopped. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the station and wait for the next one. See y'all then.